Like the live, share the live. Like the live, share the live. And you should always turn notification ya YouTube on. Ndio nikiingia uko live nakuwa wa kwanza kuingia. Turn YouTube notification on ndio kumbuka leo today is signals. Today is not learning. So leo I'm focusing on checking on signals. Exotic Matata, John Neotosh. Thank you for joining the live, Maili. Thank you for joining the live. Tap the screen, like the live, share the live. Like the live, share the live. Junior, thank you. This is Babji Destillion. Thank you for the likes. Tap the screen. Mandola, thank you for joining the live. Remember, tuko live hapa na YouTube. Leo ni signals on multipliers. Sawa sawa. Leo tunapata two signals. Mandola live, thank you for joining the live. So leo ni signals peke yake. Tuko sawa. Signals za multipliers. Jana tulisoma kuhusu multipliers. If you want to see whatever we learned yesterday ndio uweze cope up with us, go pale YouTube, go on YouTube, following from Zambia. So if you want to be at the same pace with us and where we left yesterday on learning multipliers, I would recommend you go on YouTube, check the list of the yesterday's live. Yesterday was date 14. Go and check on date 14. I was live for 1 hour 30 minutes. Make sure you watch the whole 1 hour and 30 minutes, and you'll be at the same pace as today. Leo ni signal. So nafika pale YouTube. Fika YouTube. You go to YouTube. Then following from Zambia, Eva J. Thank you for joining the live. Thank you for the likes, Eva J. So today we have said it signals, just signals. So nimeweka hapo kwa 5 minutes time frame, and that is how the notification comes. Crash 500. Mimi nimesema we can buy, but this is for 5 minutes time frame. So unaweza enda hapo kwa day trader. We are buying for the next 10 minutes only. You buy this for the next 10 minutes. That is trade number one. So 10 minutes is 10 candles. You can go on D trader. I taught you how to do that. Pale kwa on the leave on multipliers. Jotoni, Enze. Thank you for joining the live. Wait a minute. I need to enter trades in one of my accounts here. By the way, I'm having a lot of computers. There's a computer here. There's another one here that is live on YouTube. There's another one here. So we have stayed for 10 minutes. We are holding that for 10 minutes plus 1000. Kama uko YouTube, I hope umeona kitu imefanyika. This one. And I have said it's for 10 minutes according to the system. I've said it's for 10 minutes only. So right now it's only like 8 minutes remaining. Casino, thank you for joining the live. Greg, thank you for joining the live. Tap the screen, like the live, share the live. If you want to see tunafanya or you want to see whatever you are doing, you go to YouTube. Go to YouTube or pick up of the YouTube and see whatever you are doing there. Greg, Mm. So yesterday we learned about multipliers. If you are a little bit behind, you can go on YouTube, watch yesterday's live. Utakuwa na the same pace na sisi. Remember, today will be a signal day. Before we can learn anything else, ndio tuendelee tujue. Next time we shall learn about accumulators. We were to learn about arbitrage, the live digit arbitrage. Remember, that is another, but that one I will be repeating because I did it on live, but I was not. So we shall repeat that. There is also rise and fall, high and lower, everything we are going to learn. But of course, most of the education and when we learn more, it's more on the VIP groups and how can I get the grouping system haiko kwa Discord? Steve, grouping system haiko kwa Discord, and the reason it is not on the Discord, I think, it's a premium system that we use as the VIP members. But if you are on the Discord, on the VIP members section, you have it. Like if you're on the VIP section, you could have access it all the time. Mm. But on the normal version, on my I have room for everyone in my community. You join for free, there is no problem. You will still gain a lot. You still gain a lot, even if it's for free. You still gain a lot. You still gain a lot. Like for example, today we are now taking signals for free, right, from the system. Like this market here is confirmed, and remind me so that I don't forget to take more signal. Today is a signal day. Also here we had a signal that was confirmed, but I've seen it a little bit late, so I tend not to give you. Naona imecross the blue line, so that one I'll not give to you. Benson Tugmilisi. Thank you for following. Thank you for the follow. Tap the screen, like the live, and let's go to 50k likes. Bichi, thank you for joining the live. Benson, thank you for liking the live. Thank you. Remember, if you want to see the signals I'm giving, today is a day of giving out signals for free using the blueprint system. If you want to see whatever we are doing using the blueprint system, because today it's a signal day, go to YouTube. Ingia YouTube. Ukiingia YouTube utaona signal tunapeana. Ile signal I'm giving out, it's on YouTube. Thank you for teaching the nations. I appreciate that, and I believe that the blueprint community, even the Discord community, not my community, it's the blueprint community, will continue growing at large. Because remember, our first mission, or mission number one, is just becoming a consistent, profitable trader. You better be a consistent, profitable trader who makes just $150 a month. But $150, even if you invested only $50, you know that $150, I'm guaranteed getting it each single month. Even if there was a gun placed on my hand, I could. Are you sure this month you will make $150? You are. So mission number one: being a consistent, profitable trader. Niambie kwanza, arbitrage trading unatumia same stake ama? Yeah, you use same stake, and once it comes to the day of trading digit arbitrage, and also keep checking on YouTube, you will see it. You will see it. Now I'll explain in details. Yesterday we learned about multipliers. If you didn't learn, I will highly recommend go on YouTube, watch yesterday's live, because here on TikTok it's not available. Yesterday on YouTube, go watch yesterday's live. Remember this was our first signal. We have 3 more minutes and we exit. We have 3 more minutes from we exit. If you don't know where we are taking the signal, myself, I'm trading myself And please comment if the sound is good or not. Your sound. Ah, what comes wrong with this sound each single day? Hello? I don't understand. Hello? 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 What about now? What about now? Is it better? So somebody tell me about my sound on YouTube, please. Those who are watching on YouTube. Which market is that, sir? YouTube link. Go search for benefit the blueprint trader. Ama ungia hapo kwa bio or click on the bio utaona link inakudirect YouTube. You see a link when you click it, you see how you can go to my YouTube channel. Done. Sawa. Uko sawa sasa. If I'm good, 2 minutes, you exit this market. This is cash 1000. It was our first signal. Kumbuka leo is a day of taking signal. Samuel Peter, thank you for joining the live. And this live, I need to reduce it a little bit more. Less. Samuel Peter, thank you for joining, for liking the live. So remember this signal, it was confirmed here. Let's see, check from the history. If you check here, you can see the buy in 500. This one. This is the latest one, but I said we will not enter. But I can show to you for those who are participants now. It was this signal. Remember with the system. Okay, for those who are wondering, me, I'm a derib trader, and you haven't watched my last yesterday's video. I explained where you trade everything. I explained where you can trade everything yesterday. I don't know. Here, derib multipliers. Even though I'm trading here on the other computer, like I said. So it's derib bot. Today is not a learning day. That is why I'm focusing here alone. So crash 500, crash 1000, exit, exit for that signal, exit for that signal, and let's wait for the next signal. I hope you understood where yesterday I thought we should be trading the. That is why I'm trying to open. So where could you have traded this? So this is first signal in profit. Also, this I didn't give for you to trade, but you can see it went well. So we are waiting for other signals. Loba, thank you for joining the live. After the screen like the live, 021 and thank you for joining the live. Welcome to the live, welcome to the blueprint community. When I want you to see me clearly, I wear my welding glasses and add some light. Ellie Morgan, bro, mi nataka boat. Which boat do you want? Which boat do you want? Yes? Which boat do you want? You just say it. So, for example, if this market goes with the red line, we continue. And remember, most of the boats here I give for free. Thank you for the loss. That is on. Tap tap the screen like the line. And if you want to learn more, please make sure you go to YouTube. That is where most of the learning takes place. Okay. Sound keeps disappearing. Umepotea sauti hakuna. Check your mic. Something loose. Oh, hello. Let's add something small. Hello? Maybe it's when I'm far away. You see, this sound should not be led. should be somewhere like there. But when I go far, for example, when I'm talking from my TikTok, it reduces. You see, I have started seeing. When I'm near the computer so much, you feel like it's an echo. So let's try to balance it from there. So when I talk from this side, so we added to around that zone. Okay, tell me whether the sound is becoming good. And thank you so much for this update. I appreciate those who are updating me on YouTube about my sound. Kina Dadidang, Samuel Kamau, David, Mane, thank you so much. So because I can know whether the signals are giving, they are of importance. DJ King strategies are accumulators. Accumulators give the strategies, and I will make a YouTube video about it soon. Before the end of this week, expect that video to be posted on YouTube. Before the end of this week, expect the video to be posted on YouTube. Samuel Peter anaambia Loba, if you need any boats, you can get them completely for free in my Discord. You just join the Discord, you download over 500 robots. So this is Vitality 10.1s. Let's see what is in Vitality 10.1s. Vitality 10.1s. Hmm. I guess this is another time frame because on the 5 minutes time frame, we don't have that information. How can I grow a $5 account? That is exactly what we are doing on my YouTube channel. Right now, when you are seeing me on TikTok, there's somebody else seeing the screen on YouTube. And even with $5, you can be able to grow your account. $5 using multipliers. Afadhali is still disappearing. Iko sawa kwa red. Hell you shout kuliko kutosikia. So let me add to that point. So I hope right now hakuna any instance ambayo you will not hear what I'm saying. Let me see. Even when I'm talking far away. Let me add. Right now, okay. So that one is good. How can I grow a small account? I have explained how you can grow a small account. Lady Amanji is saying, "Woi, sound is disappearing when you are far away from the computer." I think I have fixed that. With this, at that point, I hope right now. Let me see whether it will disappear. Which is the best boot yenye haina loss mingi? Okay. Which is the best boot which haina loss mingi? The only boot I'm guaranteed of is the live digit arbitrage bot. Hiyo haina loss if you follow the 10 rules of trading with the live arbitrage bot. Apart from that, find a bot. Now, if you feel like you have to trade digits, okay, kuna bots kama za Lice Fall, bot kama ya accumulator, a bot like in a trade multiplier, those they are the best bot. But if you still want to trade over and under, even in out and all other markets, then don't focus on not getting a bot with the list with the loss. Because with how the list is made, you are guaranteed of having a loss in digit trading. Guaranteed. Like hata ujaribu, even if you try what? they'll still run monitor your boat and see whatever is the edge na italeta tu loss. So hakuna ile boat unaweza sema hii boat haina loss mingi, I'll be staking $300 at once because I know haina loss unless you are trading differs. And when you are trading differs, it's not that haina loss mingi, it's only that the win rate is small. With one loss, 10 wins zimekuwa recovered. So focus on risk management. Focus on risk management. Focus on risk management. So even with a boat that can have at most 4 losses in a row, have a strategy, your risk management, you can always recover. One of them is try to recover with the same stake. Try to recover with the same stake. Are we together? Try to recover with the same stake. Then we have something like stake list. We have split marking it. You people like bringing me back to books and talking more about it. Today we are giving signals, and that is the apple. And I'm not seeing clearly. So when I'm not seeing clearly, I turn to be welding. Siaya 20, how are you? Which is the best boot in your loss mingi. So remember today we are giving signals. Hello to you too. Thank you for the like the like, tap the screen, and let's grow together. Where can I get your boat, please? Which boat are you talking to? But I have over 500 boats completely for free in my Discord community. The easiest way to gain them, for those who are on YouTube, maybe you can see this. Votaiti 101S please, sahi iko poa. If you're on YouTube, just go to my channel and find one of videos like your life fall under the video description. Well, there's something I'm not saying well. How can I grow $26 plus at least 1,000? Is it in a single day or for how long do you want to grow it? Uh, your YouTube channel is Prof. Ben Epic, the blueprint trader. Ukiingia hapo kwa link ya bio pia utaona link yenye inakudirect to my YouTube. Right now niko live on YouTube and here. Here you see me, on YouTube you see the screen. And before I answer that question from Fortunate, one strategy you can use is multipliers. But if you want to grow $26 to $1,000, it's not in one day. If you are able to grow it in one day, chances are you are gambling. Chances are you are gambling, and you are not following a particular strategy. By the way, me I made my profit $150 within the 1 hour I opened the computer. I actually posted the first video, and before I could even post that video, that was my first trade in the morning. The same market gave another entry. I will post that video later. So that one anasema if you can a strategy you can grow, but I tell you if you grow $26 in $1,000 in a single day, even if you have a strategy, you are actually greedy because that means you want to do that each single day, and that is impossible. I can tell you, I'll not lie to you. So yes, it is possible with a strategy, but you just say my time. You haven't specified the time you want to grow that. By the way, today we are giving free signals. We are giving free signals using the blueprint system. If you want to see whatever we are doing with the signal, not a single day, bro. Yes, at least with time you can grow it. What is the name of the boat that recovers with the same stake? This is the name of. Okay, so that you can be able to, I can help you correctly. Please go on my YouTube channel right now. I'm live on TikTok. For example, right now I'm showing you the boat that recovers with the same stake in my community. Um, Mhm. You go to free binary bots, and here it is. This one, blueprint under it. That is the bot. I have shown it where you get it and the name on the YouTube. So make sure you are following from YouTube. I want to join your premium group. Give me hapo kwa WhatsApp DM. We talk about joining the premium group. So let's find one signal. This one we are late, of course. So you want to find a signal. Remember, we follow 5 rules of the blueprint system. Mm. This is the class 1000 that was our first signal. Lydia, thank you for joining the link promoter. Lydia Mwangi, unalipisha groups ama wewe? What? I don't understand when you unasema. I don't understand what you mean. Then the groups, let the live share the live. Let me see from YouTube what you are saying. Sahi Kopoa, and I know I have talked so much. Meli Paul, that is blueprint system, and we want to find a signal. I wish we entered that, and somebody had requested we check it for 3010 You see, but I was talking on YouTube, and you don't force entry, you don't force anything when you are using the system. You wait. If there is no signal, you wait patiently. And like right now, we are preparing for a signal here. So if it confirms and gives us a notification here on top, we shall enter. So let's wait for that signal and see how it goes. Lydia, I don't know how can I get it. So most of the things that you should be able so that you can understand anything, at least be on the Discord community. Be on the Discord community. The link is free on my bio and also on YouTube. The link is free. You join on the community. Maybe from there you can ask more. Also there you'll see where you can contact me and get everything done. Millie Paul, how can I get it? Same, I've just explained that. So you see now, the market can cross the red line and not confirm. The market can cross the red line and not confirm. And therefore, that one does not qualify. This light is too much. So allow me to do some work. So, angalia hapo kwa bio, you'll see it. So I'm saying the market sometimes can cross the red line and not confirm. That is why we actually wait for confirmation. And that is why each time, like yesterday when we were learning, any trade we are taking is always goes well. What are we trading? That the market right now it's volatility 151S and we are trading multipliers. Remember today we had promised that we are giving signals on grouping system on multipliers. That is what we are feeding today, and that is exactly what we are doing. Ukitaka kuona kitu tunafanya or see what we are doing, fika YouTube. Link hapo kwa bio ama go search Prof Ben FX. Prof Ben FX. Um, so I'm on 5 minutes time frame, and this I know there's somebody mwenye anaingia YouTube and he gets confused. This market, the same exact market I'm checking on my analysis tool, they are on D-Trader here on the multipliers, all of them. Every market I'm checking. You see this? All of them. Even this, we are seeing crash 600, crash 900, everything. By the way, this class, I'm sorry for that. This boom 600 and crash 600, they were initially not on the D-Trader platform. Let me show you how update. Do you know, like 4 days ago, 4 days ago, the only market you could trade, and even nobody could notice that maybe, were only boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 1000, and five. Yeah, let me say all crash 500 and boom 500, and all boom 1000 and crash 1000. Four market. Right now, all the market has been added here. What does that tell you? Okay, again, these are things that you should understand. Markets like Crash 600 and Crash 900, they are new. Actually, they were introduced like 2 months ago in MT5. They used to be on the D Trader. Is it called D Trader? Oh, C Trader platform. They used to be on the C Trader platform on the leave. So whenever you're seeing me, I'm analyzing most of my market here. It's where my system is. That is our volatility 10. And the reason it's going like that is because it was confirmed. I'm waiting for another signal so that we can enter. This one never confirmed. Kevin Kiplangat, tap the screen, like the live, share the live. GK Kenya, thank you for joining the live. Gibson, thank you for joining the live. Tap the screen, like the live. Hey, hapa YouTube, you are so quiet right now. Why are you so quiet? Say something on YouTube. Like the live, share the live. Or because I'm not getting new signal. Is that the reason? Hmm. Let's see whether this one is confirmed. Yeah, it's confirmed, but let's see. Yeah, it is a confirmed signal, but it's just for a very short time. It's a confirmed signal for a short time. After this, that means it is 8 candles from now. You can enter the small buy, 8 candles. So for me, I would not like it. It's just small, but it is confirmed. So we should see how it goes. Because after all, despite I'm giving signals, I'm also seeing we also seeing how the system works, right? So that is Crash 500. Okay, somebody may ask, now, me, I don't know what you are talking. This thing is very complicated. What is this you are doing? If you come to DTrader, okay, let me first place a trade here. This is for where we learn from. This is my teaching computer. Crash 500. You see, this is the same market I have here. DTrader multipliers. You see? So let's say you have how many dollars? Somebody said he has $20 in his account. use the highest leverage. And good thing, you can put a take profit or not. You can say if I make $8, I'm good fast to stop. And if the trade goes against me for $10, let me secure the other 10. And then you click up. So, and your profit slowly starts counting. Although boom and crash, they are a little bit slow as compared to volatilities, and that is why you are seeing I'm trying to check this volatility trend, and somebody had said we take on it. This one, it was confirmed here. If I This is the confirmation. If we check well, let's see. Mm, this was volatility. So that is when it was on the buy here. You can see here before boom 1000, it was confirmed sale. Ben Mogi, thank you for joining the live. Avenue, thank you for joining the live. Papa still like the live. You can see it was confirmed sale, but we weren't there. It's still moving on. Actually, somebody had commented we check on it here. David Manuel, tunagojea singo mkuu and market. What do you mean? I'm checking for signals. You know, with the system, you don't force. That is something you don't do. For example, this is a trade, but it's not yet confirmed. If it crosses this red line and confirms for type 150, we shall enter. If it doesn't confirm, it just crosses like that, you don't enter. And that is one way of becoming a consistent, profitable trader. Like this market, which is Crash 500, crossed and started moving up. You understand? So I'm on 5 minutes time frame. If I check and I think there are not a lot of signals in 5 minutes time frame, I'll change the time frame. I'll change the time frame. I'll change the time frame. Let me try 15, 30, no, 15, 5. Today it was a signal day 1. Let's see on 1 minute time frame. But I don't like 1. The favorite is 5. There are no signals right now. Maybe we can talk about the reboot for a little bit until we get some few signals. Oh, I haven't looked at the boom and crashes. Um, this is crash 600, but you see, this is the entry. It has already spiked so far. You don't enter, you don't rush to enter in the market. It will give you opportunities like these ones. So Crash 500, we have like 4 minutes. Yeah, bisector mentoring. Are you live on YouTube? Yes, I'm live on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube. You can get YouTube, you see the screen. Alas, thank you for the thank you. Logas many, thank you. Tap the screen like the live. Let's go to 5K likes. Let's go to 5K likes. Tap the screen. Kuna 1.7 likes. Tap the screen like the live. Hapa kwa YouTube, kwa TikTok. Tap the screen like the live. Tap the screen like the live. If you want to see the screen and how you're using the system, go on YouTube. If you want to ask question, I'm checking on YouTube. So David Manuel is saying on 10-1S, I'm on profit for $30. Congrats. Congrats. And you can see it was 5 minutes time frame. The system works. Okay, this is the confirmation block. This is where you check whether the market was confirmed. You can see volatility trend. Sell. Sell means down. It was confirmed. Only that I was live. I was explaining something, and I said, "This signal, we shall not take it." I said, "We shall not take. I will not give for my followers to enter a trade because I was instant. I was answering some questions here, so we shall still get another entry, and that is how the blueprint system works. If you understand multipliers, you come here, you go to the multipliers tab. Where is the multipliers tab? So, and it is going slowly. It's going slowly. I say this market, oh, this empty. This thing is it's slow. This is not where the market is. Let me refresh it. I have refreshed it because we can see it's going toward the take profit, and we are supposed to exit in the next 2 minutes. In the next 2 minutes. Remember, it was just the signal according to the system was only for 5 minutes. It was for 5 minutes. It boom and crash, they are less volatile, they don't give profit so fast. If you haven't exited the trade, here we may get another trade, but I 101s. Right now you are at $50, my good friend David Emmanuel. Now you can take your position. Remember today we said we are getting signal. If you haven't run whatever you are doing on the multiplier today, don't forget to watch yesterday's live. I thought about multipliers. Today we are just taking signals. Each single day we have everything. We shall learn accumulators, we shall learn about derib digit arbitrage. But the amount of information you get from live is nothing compared to when you are on the community, when you are on the VIP community. On the move, thank you for joining the live. Tap the screen like the live. And I'm seeing it's 1 minute. We can close our Clash 500 trades. Start closing your Clash 500 trades. So I have to close some of the trades. I have to close some of the trades. Uh, I guess that is enough. Clash 500. Remember the signal was for 6 minutes according to the system. You follow that. It wasn't for that long. Let's see on the day trader how much it could have accumulated on your $20. Mm, if this was on the real account, I have closed on the real account. Here, you could have accumulated on your $20, just $4. But I said volatilities, they are less volatile. They are less volatile. Boom and crash, they are less volatile. Houston, thank you for joining the live. Like the live, we said we go to 10, 5K, right? We are at just 1.9. Tap the screen like the live. By sector, Samuel Peter, Jason, Zindigi, Ben the Good, Maloba, tap the screen, like the live, share the live, tap the screen, like, share the live, and let's play together. We are checking for another signal. This is volatility 10 confirmed, but it's a short signal. Anyway, we can still enter it. So first, let me enter on my account here for some. Like this is a very short signal according to the rule. So can risk $15 for this trade. So let's say if you had like the same $20, you just come when it is confirm which market it is, volatility 10. You go here, you select your volatility 10. So remember, I have entered my position already. I'm just showing you so that we can follow along. If you don't understand it well, you start with the smallest multipliers. You can start with 500, like that. For example, I can use 1,000 for this to explain. And it's a very short signal, by the way. So you may target like $5 and you are out. And also, if it goes against us, we shall see. It's a very short signal. This one is a very short signal because of this. You see this little big wick. It's a very short signal. But let's see how it plays out. That is whatever you are supposed to do with the system. Nothing more, nothing less, which is that market that has been confirmed. So 3050, this one we are a little bit late. We are a little bit late. Stop it. That one we are a little bit late. Unless now this 51S confirms. If this one confirms, I'm in. This one I can risk $50 for that. So let's wait also that signal. So which was the other one? This was volatility 10. Theophil, let me see what you're saying here on the YouTube comment section. So far, we have how many signals? 4. 3 of them you have already closed. How can I get the blueprint system? Send me a WhatsApp DM or a TikTok DM or a Discord DM. Hizo zote, you still get me. This is frustrating. It's not doesn't want to cross the red line. This D trader is hanging so much. Ndio nafika wakuu. Robert, welcome to the live. If you want to see the screen, you go to the YouTube. If you want to, you can also listen from here. Tap the screen like the live. Ukienda unahakikisha umenipea 100 likes before you go to YouTube and watch our live signals. Sawa sawa. CEO, CEO Z. How can I get the blueprint system? I have explained to you that. So let's see how our trade is going here. This one is going so slowly. I don't know why. But it's this way. It's moving slow. It's not showing slow. So that is how it's going. So let's say that was your $20. But remember, we made $4 from that other trade. So this one we are targeting like $4 from that confirmation. And it's simple as that. And if you have much more money, and remember, here I used a smaller multiplier. If I used 2,000, right now this could be $5. Where is that market that we entered as our fourth signal? Whenever they reach 10 signals, I'll exit. I'll stop trading. Remember, here is just for insights. Yesterday we learned about multipliers. Today we are live trading. Today we are live trading. Acha nione hapa what you are saying. Take profit 60 nishapata ya sapa mkuu. I run to run total it's 120. 20 thanks mkuu. Continue blessing people. Welcome David Manuel. Yeah. Remember this system, you use it for rise fall, higher, lower, and also that. So if you also decided to learn it, nice one. Tunagoja hiyo signal ya 10-1S Joseph Degwa. Oh, this one you should cruise. I am sure now it is at more than 10 than that dollars. More than 10 than $5. So you should close. Remember our target was that. So we closed at 6.48. This is what I'm showing you. Let me close the other trade. Here I just reached as small as $15. So I just got some $6 here also. Have you seen? It's as simple as that. For example, if you are learning the boot, okay, here I want to focus. My network went down. I didn't hear what you said. I said you can send me a WhatsApp DM, you can send me a TikTok DM, you can send me a Discord DM, and you can also check on my bio those links. Anyway, contact me in simple terms about the booking system. What was that volatility 10? See, okay, I hope you understand why. Okay, those who are on YouTube, if you are here, please partly in a low price. If you want to see the screen, go on YouTube. You understand. This trade was confirmed. We entered. Today we are running multipliers. You are seeing yourself. This is not something like I tell you. It is working, and that is why I actually do live trade to at least help you understand the way to becoming a profitable trader. It's following a plan. This is our fourth signal in profit. Yesterday when we were learning, all trade went in profit. Or you think I do pay the leave when I'm going live? No, it's that when there is no signal, you are not entering. When you open volatility 150, it doesn't have any signal. You don't enter. Remember the blueprint system you can trade on ice fall with the bot. You can trade multipliers, both and manually. Accumulators, both and manually. Which other market? Higher and lower, both and manually. But for today, I was focusing on multipliers. Let's say that is somebody who had his $20. He wanted to do it. Leave stubborn. Hi to you. Big Ed for the Twitter. Thank you for the follow. Tap the screen, like the live. Let's go to 5K likes. Get those. And you can see how the market finally went down. Remember, our target was small. By the time it was here, we already crossed it. Those who are following from the start and are on YouTube, you are seeing my community. So, volatility 10 got $6. Thanks a lot, Lady Amwangi. Yeah, today was a signal day and show you how the system works. You understand? Yesterday we learned about multipliers. We learned about multipliers yesterday, right? Today it was signal giving. We are at our fourth signal, all profits. Simple rules. When the market crosses the red line, you enter, you trade. It is on the leave. They are this contract type. Okay, but I don't want to go to all of them because each single day we have what we talk about. Today we were talking about multipliers, signals. Yesterday we learned about them. Today we are just talking about signals. So these are the market that you can trade with the blueprint system, accumulators. But with the blueprint system to trade accumulators, it's hard. You need to understand more. When do you okay, it use different rule. You don't trade accumulators when the market crosses the red line. Oh, so it's different. Call and put you same. Turbos, I don't use blueprint system. Rise and fall blueprint system, high and lower blueprint system, and now multipliers. And today it was multipliers, and yesterday was still multipliers. And that is how you go about it. This is down, this is up, this is rise, also this is fall. This is higher, this is lower. Entry, you have it. You have just to follow that each single day. Then the goods, the maloma, the like, tap the like, the live mesh. Thank you for joining the live. Tap the screen, like the live, share the live. And if you want to see whatever we are doing, how we are like trading today, today's a day of signals, you join on my YouTube channel. You join on my YouTube channel, you see the screen. And that is where you see the screen and whatever I am doing. So let's continue finding another signal. We are on 5 minutes time frame. What is the win rate? I'm a new and late. It's 90 and which is that market? It is a market we have seen that has confirmed. And the more we stay, the more it is going away. Like this one, that one is also confirmed. Okay, let me check from this dial box. Volatility 75 buy. And the more we are staying, the more it's leaving. So let's say it is this. I decide now because I made some profit, I'll just risk $10 for this trade. Have you seen it has confirmed? You are almost late. So let me first put on my account before I go there. So this one I list how much? $10. I can list just $10. That is affordable for everyone. You can afford $10. $10. We enter. Multipliers, we are going up. Multipliers, we are up. Multipliers, we are up. So for those who are wondering what you do on the multipliers, you come and check. This is volatility 75 1S. So you come here. So the trade is now going on. The volatility 75 1S. You ensure you have the same trade on your D trader. If you are not used to these things, use a lower multiplier because your loss will be less. So for example, I can use 150. So let's say is that somebody who was trying to make $20, and because already right now you have made $10, when you click up, this is how it starts going. They have started by being a little bit, but it's confirmed, and that is because of this zone. But we will just hold a little bit. Let's hold for a little bit and see how it goes like. Let's hold for a little bit and see how it goes like. How do you set the leaf chart to see the signals like in your screen? This is Cayman mainly in the, I can't see anything. On my YouTube channel is Prof. Ben FX Grouping Trader. That is where I'm sharing the screen. Sawa. If you want to see my screen, go on YouTube and search Prof. Ben FX the Blueprint Trader. Prof. Ben FX the Blueprint Trader. All go hapo kwa YouTube, kwa bio uangalie link itakudirect kwa YouTube. You'll see it. That's somebody saying you can't see it. Tap the screen, like the live, share the live. Let's go to 5K likes. So, David Man, this is not impossible. That is not impossible, K-Man. That is deriving to only, but not sure. But here you get a lot, K-Man. Okay, I'm using MT5 with the blueprint system. Let's see if our profit, how it's going before I even talk here. This derivative web trader is lagging. I know you are already in profit. It's already in profit. So it has started going down, but what do you need? What do I need to do? I need to check your comment. That is what I was checking. So I'm using MT5 and I'm using this blueprint system. This is a self-made system. Yeah, I programmed it. You can see even the name. It's Blueprint Ben FX. These are the light setting for the system. You will not find it still on the on trading view. It's for MT5. Okay, this is the fifth signal. Even if now I stop at this point, I come cross my trade. Who will say that that thing is not what I'm following? And that is when I say, okay, let me cross this. So my good friend who had $8, who had $20 and wanted to double that to $1,000, from $22 to $1,000. So far we have doubled it to $40, right? Live here on TikTok and YouTube. You can see the market immediately. It was a confirmed one. It starts going up. You can cross your position. Let me also cross on my leader account. I wish I did more. I did only $10 because I was done for the day. I'm just trading because the reason I'm trading right now is because it's me who is giving the signal. I can't You can see just giving the signal is not crossing. So those are 5 signals. And the best strategy for beginner, I can see your YouTube. Let me finish. Angalia hapo kwa angalia hapo kwa YouTube, my YouTube blog. Then I'm pinning a comment. If you start this on YouTube, I'm uenda hapo on my bio, you'll see it. You'll see it. I can see you on YouTube. See, I'm live on YouTube. I hope you have closed all your positions, my friends. Let me see what you are saying on the comments. This is not on trading view. This indicator is not on trading view. I said this is a self-made indicator. You can actually see the code for the system here. This is where I made it in it. It works on MT5. Works on MT5. So this is its program here. Even if I want to call it another name, I can call it whatever I want. But I'm the owner and the developer of it. Now, it's not that I'm bragging that it works. What I want to tell you and what I've been saying to all beginners and who want to be consistent, profitable trader. If you are using a strategy that you can't backtest and know, if I was trading like that on, let's say, on now I'm backtesting. This is what we call backtesting. On 7th January, would I have made money? 6th January, would I have made money? Let me ask you, if I traded odd even at 12 p.m. on December 12th, would I have made money or not? Can you answer that question? That is what we call backtesting. You have limited data, and that is why you hear me saying, Lydia Mwangi is saying he has now made $13 from my signals. Okay, and I'm also seeing I was explaining about the system. So that is why I strongly, when I'm talking about what this system, I'm talking what do I mean? Okay, I'm talking about digits. You have limited data. When you're trading even a node, you can come up with strategy and they will be changed with one line of code. You see, this is the data you have, 1,000 ticks. And in 1 second, you have more than 100 ticks. And not in 1 second, in 1 minute. In 1 minute, you have more than 100. So let's say 100 ticks is equals to 1 minute. Divide 1,000 ticks by 1,000 ticks by 110. So you only have data that you can backtest just for the last 10 minutes. It's like when I'm using this system and I can only see it from here, here, and here. They cannot allow me to get more data when I'm trading digits. Because when I have data, I can know how the algorithm works and how it generates these numbers. And I can come with strategies that can beat the system so bad that I can be matching my trades. So whatever you are left with is coming up with a strategy and forward testing it and saying, for example, this is when I'm trading even a node. If I see the cursor goes to three times, odd number 3 times, or even number, let's choose one, choose odd. So it is at 2, 9. So that one is gone. So 3, that is odd. So even, even, even. So I can trade even. Even I trade even. You start coming with such kind of strategies and you win. With one line of code, if you create a bot, that is just a strategy we used to use, but I don't recommend. Yes, the profit is instant, but one line of code that strategy. When you put it in a bot, the monitors, it's done. Unless when you are trading, for example, the trade we are talking about today, multipliers, how can they link whatever strategy I was using here and I'm using it here on MT5? And just show you that it's something that is working. You can see the market continued going up because whatever the system checks, it's a lot. Whatever this is not pure blue and red line. It checks a lot in the market, and that is why it is profitable in the long term. And at least it's not something that I'm saying, it's something that you are seeing, you are witnessing. So how do I get the indicator as a beginner? It's a premium system. But if you want to be a consistent profitable trader and you are beginning, you better start on the right path as early as now. Um, Joker Love found it. Digit even odd differ matches Tawe. I don't know what you. I don't trade even odd and matches. I don't. It's not that I don't know how to trade. It's not that I don't have idea. You can check my YouTube videos when I started talking programming about bots. So I know a lot of fishy things about the league on matches, even odd. They will make you money, but they will come for it. And remember, as blueprint traders, our main goal is becoming a consistent, profitable trader. And remember, when you're using this system, if these settings are not correctly, like the period should be at 14, period setter should be at 25. Period should be at 14, period setter should be at 25. You'll get false signals. For example, you have seen the market can cross the blue line and not confirm, like here. It can cross the blue line and not confirm. That is why this one should be true. And it should give you a notification here on top. And let's continue finding another signal. I think that is match talk. So this is our volatility 10. You can see after crossing the blue line now it dropped. And I'm seeing we have like 16 minutes before we can end our signal session today. Free signal session, how the system works. So this is boom 5, boom 900. Boom and crash, they have less profit. You can see this after coming to this area. First, it had to hit this zone where the system said it will come before it could drop. Okay, those are signals that we took from when we started our live. So we want to get another signal, yet another signal, yet another signal, and yet another signal. I'm not very sure whether volatility 151s what they have put it on the trader. Just confirm. I rarely trade it on the trader. Yes, it's here. So there are some volatilities that are not on the trader. For example, you come to symbols, volatilities. Oh my goodness. The leave have updates. We used to have volatility 300. Even I didn't notice that they removed it. Or it's me who is not checking it where it is. Even had 200, volatility 200, or it's me who is not checking it clearly. We used to have it, volatility 200, volatility 300. They never used to move. So I don't recommend trading volatility beyond the 100 one is when you are using. If you are trading on MT5, remember you can also trade on MT5. Don't is this volatility 50. So let's try this as our last signal. So far we have 5 signals in win, volatility 50. Don't be greedy. Just risk like another $10. Almost all your money you have made, you want to risk it. And the good thing about multiplier, they have the take profit and the stop loss. So let me first put a trade. So if you are not used to it, remember you must set the market volatility 50. That is the first thing you do. This is the market volatility 50. You ensure you are in the same market where is my D trader. Okay, I have already placed my trade so far. So I'm just showing you what you're supposed to do. Stake is 20. Let's say it's that person of doubling the account. I used a very small multiplier. Let me use 200 and close the first one. Let me use even 400 so that you can see the difference of the multipliers. You can also learn because this is not a real account. So multiplier 20 moves slowly, very slow. It doesn't make any difference. Check multiplier 200 and then multiplier 400. So if you are not sure, it's your first live, you can be using the smallest multipliers. As you continue having confidence, you continue with bigger multipliers. So I'll remain with this for 400 and our target is about $8 we get out. And on my real account, I can see we are already in profit. Remember this one I entered late here on the demo. I entered late. Or I didn't enter the same market. 30.50. Yeah, here on, although it has started going on loss, so we hold it. Hold it. Remember, don't always use the highest multiplier. I like using this one, 200. Don't use 400. So right now it has gone into big loss because it is highest multiplier. A small price movement is not that it have gone that much. No, it's still here. Because on my little account I can see it's not that con because this is where the entry should be. If you have the system and you are in my live, you will understand. This is where it should be. But when you're using a high multiplier, so this will be our fifth signal, and I'm seeing it is show your screen. Radio, I'm showing screen on YouTube so that you can see whatever I'm doing. I'm also having another computer here, but hapa TikTok hatuoneshani screen. Kama wewe umekuwa you know about trading and such stuff, you know why. TikTok, wewe ona sura yangu kwa TikTok. Let me see how people you are saying. Lydia Mwangi, I'm focusing on multipliers, rise and fall, and accumulator from now on. Yeah, with that, I can guarantee you very easily you can become a consistent, profitable trader. Let me tell you why. Let's say you can have speckled dot. Let's say you are trading what? You are trading digits, and you saw, oh, I guess that entry how I took it, it's not good. That entry how I took it is not good. You will have to lose it. For this, I can say I expect $20. This market is not seeming, it's not showing well. I can just decide to say, let me get out of this market. I'll wait for another one. I can cross and save my $13 for another trade. The system is still here for rise fall. Okay, it's not that it's going bad. Remember, here on this is where I entered late. The reason you are seeing this in loss because in my real account it is in profit already right now. Even those who entered the right time, it is in profit. The reason it is in loss is because I entered almost here. I entered almost here on the demo on here where I'm showing you here. That's why it is in loss. Then I'm using the highest multiplier here, this one. So a small movement, we are big in loss. So we said we can target $10, $8. But already up to right now, it's when break even, it's around that zone. When it is above there, it is in profit. Right now, on the demo, I know it's a big loss, 10. But your account should not be at 10. This is where the entry should be. You follow the system. You follow the system. You follow the 5 rules of the system. And simply, you can become a consistent, profitable trader. Very simple. Very simple. So as we wait for that signal, when tap the screen, like the live, share the live. Hello, thank you for joining the live. Tap the screen. If you want to see whatever you are doing, you go on YouTube. YouTube unaitwa benefit the blueprint trader. If this is the first time you are seeing the live, make sure you check my yesterday's live. I talked about multipliers. When you are giving signals, we have 5 signals, all in profit, one signal ongoing, one signal ongoing, one signal ongoing, all trades in profit. The 5 signals all went well, and yeah, we are learning. We are learning. We are learning. So YouTube unaingia Prof Ben FX, and I like entering with the system. You see whatever it is happening with the system. You see everything because I trust it. Maya is saying, can I book an appointment? Yes, you can book an appointment. We can meet. How do I get started? The best way to get started, there are 2 ways. One, join my mentorship. That is the simplest way. You join the mentorship, we learn together. So if that trade goes up to this area, we are getting out of it. If it comes out to this area, we get out of it. We are getting out of it. Now, that is where the stop loss is as per the system. You see right now, this is the entry. All this bit, it's in loss right now. But you still don't lose hope in the system. You follow the system. You can see even scenarios like this. So the best way I've said is joining my mentorship, because with my mentorship, you'll get the blueprint system, and we shall now be live trading. You know, this is just a section of what we do. Of course, there's some things I can't share here. There are some signals that you can even risk to triple your account. There are those. That is a good start. I will describe it a good start, because in me, I'll tell you, it's all about becoming a consistent, profitable trader. Even if you want to be making millions in forex, it starts with small money. Then you go slowly. Now, if you can make $500 consistently in a month, therefore you can make $1,000 in a month. You can therefore make $2,000 in a month, and that way you can become rich trading forex. But if you can make $100 today, grow it tomorrow, even if you are given $1 million, you'll grow it. You understand me? You'll still grow it, and our trade goes well. But I know because of the high risk here, maybe it closed itself. Oh, no, it hasn't closed itself. So you still grow it. So that is one way. Another way, if you can't join the mentorship for whatever reason, try joining my live. You learn. For example, yesterday I taught briefly, or go ahead. I taught about multipliers yesterday. The live is still here. You can watch yesterday's live. It's about 1 hour, 30 minutes. Watch it how we did it live, and you are good to go. This market is struggling so much. So once I make $5, I'm getting out of it, because I also want to end my live. And this is our 6th signal. Struggling so much. But it's not a bad signal. No, I didn't say that. A confirmed signal is a good signal, provided the blueprint system, you have the correct settings. I don't know even how many people can allow to come and trade with their system live, because they are not sure if even themselves they work. They want just to show you recorded results. For example, for the fixed trade, they could have recorded them and posted them and shown you. This one that is struggling, although it's not yet in my account. If you entered the same time I entered, right now it is in profit. only the profit is small. So you can even decide to cross with that profit. Only that it's not hitting our profit very fast. It's not hitting our take profit very fast, but it is a confirmed trade. There is no fear. It's a confirmed trade, but it's struggling. This is what we call struggling. It's $6, -2, +10, like that. It's struggling. Who else is in a trade? Alvin Chai is saying, how do you get to my mentorship? Send me a WhatsApp DM or a Discord DM. A Discord DM is when you DM somebody on Discord, not on the group. And of course, I almost forgot something. Let's read. YouTube Najita Prof Ben FX. YouTube Najita Prof Ben FX, the blueprint trader. YouTube Najita Prof Ben FX, the blueprint trader. So go watch there. Nasema what am I supposed to say? I'm forgetting. Oh, also, if you're following my live, the best way also to be on live, join, make sure now the trade has gone well. Ukue kwa Discord. Join Discord ni free. Join Discord ni free. This one is going slowly. So you see now it is in profit, in some good profit. Although it is inaenda ikienda chini juu. Kwa my account I've already made hit the profit, so I am crossing on the real account. Nime cross kwa real account. But let's see how it goes here. Hii tulikuwa tumeingia late. You all remember that. That is why ati ikiwa hapa iko loss. Also it is loading slowly. Don't know why it is loading that slowly. So I have closed the trade whenever it went up here because I hit the target. I hope you did also. So right now still it is in profit according to our entry. It is still in profit, but I want to see how it will end with you, so that when I say all 6 signals went in profit, what time is your life? If you're on my community, it is really struggling. When you're in my community, I do post the live when I'm going live. If you're on my mentorship, that is where I spend most of my time on the mentorship, because my mentorship is like trading. It's like we are trading together. I'm teaching you as we are trading on real accounts and things like that. That is how I like my mentorship. It's not that you come, I tell you, so this is called a bullish candle. This is how you analyze. You just check this and I leave you know. We trade together. I show you this is what I do. That is what I do. Things like that. Those who started with my life, can I now correctly say that I gave 6 signals from the start of the live and all of them are in profit? The 6th big signal is a struggling signal, not a losing signal. You can see we entered here. Signal is still going up. It had went up to this point. You crossed. I crossed the trade then, and I also told you to cross. And it will continue going. And the reason I'm actually adding this extra time, the only reason I'm adding this extra time is because I want to see. I'm sure, it's only this time. You'll be very surprised that because it was a confirmed signal, it will come up to this area on top here. I know this system here. You'll see it here, and that is why I'm waiting for it to get out of the struggle, because you may feel although that signal is not that good. And I'm not saying as if I control the market. We call react trading. Slogan number 1: become a consistent, profitable trader. That is all blueprint traders should do. Number 2: do not be a predictor. Be a reactor. What is reacting to the market? What is reacting to the market? So if you didn't close your trade, now it is your chance to close it. Close your trade. Close your trade. It was confirmed, and now I can comfortably say Let me close also here on the demo so that, or even closed for itself, $9, $9 closed for itself. I had put a take profit. So all signals were in profit. I enjoyed the live trading with you, and as I was saying, stop being a predictor, be a reactor. Being a reactor is when you have a strategy, you follow it. If it is confirmed, you follow it. You see the market is going up to that point. This same market is on the derib. If you are trading like only today we were trading, what? Today we are trading multipliers. The other day we were trading like the same thing happened. Help us, brother. I have gained a follower. You have gained a follower. Thank you for joining the live. We are almost ending the live. Always join our live. You make money even if you are not in the VIP. You are not. You still make some few. Wezi lala njaa ukiwa umejoin my live. Siku ya signal, siku ya kusoma unaumia kidogo. But today was a day for signals, all of them. You see, did I know that the price will come here? And the only reason I knew it must come to around that zone, and I didn't want to end the life before it comes to that zone, was because I can back test. And I know how the system, how I programmed it, how the system works. You understand everything. But you can backtest the thing. You can see if I was trading this on 2022, how could it be if I was trading on 2022? The same market. So we are about to end the live. I want to answer the questions you have, guys. Now we are not taking another one. How do I join your group? You have a follower now. Welcome to my team. Send me a WhatsApp DM, a TikTok DM, or a Discord DM. Lady Mwangi, I have made $18 in total. $18 from my $15 account. And I think you took 3 signals, not all 6. 3 signals. And you made $18 from your $15. So you technically doubled your account. And that is how we do, and that is a live trade with Blueprint system and Blueprint community. That is how we do everything. I like transparency, and you are seeing. This is not something that I'm like. This is what I like. You see whatever I do, you see whatever I say. So when you see, okay, I think there's something I want to make it clear. I'm checking my TikTok comment section. On the comment section, you people are so harsh. But whenever I take somebody who is very harsh, is saying very bad things, this is what. When I go check his profile or her profile, I find that he's a mentor. He's posting screenshot and saying, "Come for my classes for 4K." So when I say digits, they are not the best market for beginners, and he wants beginners to join his program, he's saying I'm an enemy. And I think that maybe that was one person who reported my live yesterday because I'm not showing candles on TikTok. And although I appealed and it was upheld by TikTok because I didn't violate anything, and that is why I'm live today. If you are banned, you don't go live for 3 days. Anyway, have a good day, but watch out those people. Watch out those people. Like, anyway, I like transparency, having a community where we grow together, we help everybody, and we learn together. Have a nice day. It was a good trading with you. 6 signals all in profit following the blueprint system. And let's end our life at that point now. Asante sana. Welcome.